Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock. If you like what you see, we release new episodes every Friday with all the digital marketing news of the week. So we'd love you forever if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks.
So Nicole Farley over on Search Engine Land reported on this, but Google has announced that users will have access to their UA or GA3 data until July 2024. So reminder, if you haven't heard, if you're living under a rock, data collection on UA will end July 1st, 2023. And Google will create GA4 accounts if you have not already created yours. But after the sunset, users will have access to the data for another year. And you can export the data, but new data will not be processed. It's also worth mentioning that bidding audience and conversion data will not be sent to Google Ads or third-party integrations from UA, but your data will still be accessible and you can download that.
It's coming up, people.
That's
I
awesome.
know.
If you don't have a plan in place, at least you have another full year to get your act together and get that data out of there. Love it.